Today's Quranic word of the day is Kabeer, which means big. Whether something is big or small depends on what we compare it to. A mountain is very big when compared to a human, but when compared to a planet, a mountain is tiny. Sometimes arrogance leads us to think that we are bigger and more powerful than we really are. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us we are insignificant when compared to other creation of Allah. وَلَا تَمْشِ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَرَحًا إِنَّكَ لَن تَخْرِقَ الْأَرْضَ وَلَن تَبْلُغَ الْجِبَالَ طُولًا. And do not walk on the earth arrogantly. Surely you can neither crack the earth nor stretch to the height of the mountains. We are told to make takbeer of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which means to declare His greatness. One of the ways we do this is by saying Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. So make regular takbeer during your 5 daily prayers and in all other times and places. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.